Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube video again. Kindly know this is not financial advice. I'm no maker. I'm no market maker. I always laugh at that stuff. So please do your analysis and before taking any trade. And this is not financial advice. So let's just get that on. So please, I know it's been a while since I posted, and I have my reason. It's not because I don't want to. It's because uh, my phone it's actually funny. My phone was stolen. My phones were stolen, and when I got a new one, the I don't want to say I broke the screen, but it was not really touching well. So I just had to like and trading with all this stuff, and I just had to like come out of it to like just clear myself first, get myself there before I start uploading. So what I'm going to do, and thank you for what I'm going to do now is that I'm just going to do going to I'm just I'll just focus on gold. I'm not doing BTC analysis. So let's go straight right into this. Last week, because today is Sunday, the previous week on Friday, gold went down. The news, and that was awesome. I think so. First of all, I'll just like to go through the why right here in the weekly section is that I want to show I want to I want to bring out something right here. So on silver, I think there was an SMT on gold. I didn't actually notice this at first. Look at this. So I didn't actually notice this at first. I didn't notice this at first. And gold took the high right here. That was like this Monday 25th May took the high. Why in silver it didn't take the high. So that was like a SMT, and that's like a strong move telling you that okay, I'm going down. So let's just go straight to, I don't want to start analyzing what happened the previous week. I want to go straight to what will happen this week. For now, I don't know what gold is going to do this week, and anytime I don't know what gold is going to do this week, what I know is that we're in the discount level right here, and we should have a reversal. But is that possible? Yes. Will it happen? Not certain. So what I just do especially is that I go down to the lower time frame, the 1 hour, the 4 hours. The 4 hours is actually a higher time frame to me. The 1 hour is also a higher time frame to me. So you can go to the 50 minutes, but the 1 hour is good time frame because every 1 hour something is printing. You understand? Candle is printing every 4 hours. Some candle is printing. So if you want to have a trade in a day, in a day, and you don't actually know where the bias is for the meantime, you don't know what's happening, and I'm not advising you to rush into the chart. No, you want to just have a trade in a day. You can just come to the 1 hour or the 4 hours to know okay, I think this is what's going to happen. There you can go down to the 50 minutes, the 5 minute, the 3 minutes to take a trade, because that's like the higher time frame of those. So right here in the 1 hour, I draw out this box. It's a FVG box, and right here there is a price just tap into the premier zone and it went down. And if were to be in like maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I would have taken this trade right here down a bit, maybe I'll look for a closer liquidity level that I can target. But and what you have to have in mind now is that this is not a setup, this is not a trade setup for you to take, because coming to Sunday, Monday, when price opens, this is good. Price can open crazily. Like, you can see gold here and it will just open at this point and take you out. If you set a trade for a sell. So you should be careful. If this was to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday that I'm seeing this, I can say yes, I think I will take this trade. But this is this is Sunday. So coming Sunday, Monday, when the market will open, the market can open right here and the market can open down here. So we just have to be careful. So I'm not actually going to take any trade at the moment. I just tell you that 1 hour, 4 hours, if I'm to take any trade, I'll be looking at what will happen in the 1 hour, 4 hours to take trade in 5 minutes. You understand? But I'm not taking trade at the moment. I'm not going to take any trade at the moment because I don't know what price wants to do. Why in a sell, obviously. Why in a sell? I'm in a sell in gold. We're in a sell, obviously. But I want to know, okay, yes, is price going to keep on going for a sell, or is it going to retrace before going for a sell? So that's just what I want to know. And that's what the 4 hours will show me, or the 1 hour will show me. Fast before daily time frame and the rest will show me. So one more thing, heading to the future of what I'm thinking will happen in the chart, is that we're still having a CRT right here. I'm not saying price can sell and buy. I'm not saying that yet. I'm just looking at what may happen in the future. What the chart is showing us. So we still have 23 days, 13 hours for this last candle to print, and it's showing that we're on a CRT in both gold and in silver. So that's something I can have in mind, and not to just and look at there, we're having a CRT month in silver, a monthly CRT in silver, 3 month CRT in silver. So price can really dip. Look at that. But what I'm expecting, once this candle close in the next 23 days and 13 hours, I'll come back here to see what I should be expecting. But just for now, I'll be trading the lower time frame, 1 hour, 4 hours. Then I'll be looking for buyers with the 1 hour, 4 hours, a break of structure if price is going to continue, or maybe something that will make me know, okay, yes, price wants to reverse. That's it. But I'm not going to run into the chart. I'm going to see what maybe Monday have for us. Then from there I can see, okay, if Tuesday, I can take a trade on Tuesday. So back. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe, and do have a wonderful day. Thank you. That's it about gold. But my bias in gold is still a sell. Thank you.